me dá sequência de peixe, mas quero que aguente meu sentadão.
Hey friends, it's akidearest. Oh no, it sure is dirty in my room. I wish I had a vacuum cleaner on me right now. Specifically a Roomba with Levi's voice.
目的地に着いた。これより作戦を実行する。掃除を開始する。俺の使命はこのクソみてえな家に塵一つ残さないよう尽くすことだ。掃除が完了した。これが本物の掃除だ。分かったか？
Bro, what the fuck? Oh, what is this? Sorry, I just got the vaccine. My body's like super weak right now. Fuck. It exists! How? So I got this Roomba that markets itself as having Levi's voice from Attack on Titan. And even more so, it's the actual voice actor from the Japanese dub. Where was the demand for this? I think a Roomba is like at least $500. This is like $700. I'll admit, sometimes I've been kind of turned off by the Attack on Titan fandom because they can be a little bit but then you get those people who are able to look past all of that and create something like this and make their coin, and I respect the hustle. I would be surprised that this product exists if I wasn't living in Japan, but because I do, I'm actually not surprised whatsoever by this. I was like, of course we're going to have this. Who else besides Anitubers is going to spend $700 on a Roomba that sounds like Levi? See, even our cleaning products are anime. I believe this collaboration is only sold in Japan, but my friends over at Itaikuji are selling it on their website if you guys want to go check. It says that this is an original Levi model and that the voice acting in this is by the official voice actor for Levi in the Japanese dub. Moment of truth, everybody. Da 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 da. Okay, we have this thing. We have Levi stickers that I guess you put on top of the Roomba. An Attack on Titan manual? Oh my god. Okay, so this is a list of everything that this robot says. Like one of these is like, oh, the battery is dying out. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a manual of everything that Levi says on the Roomba, and dude, it's so many lines. Well, I was expecting maybe like 5 things. I wasn't expecting like, I don't know, what is this, like 100? It has some optional decal stickers that you can put on top of the Roomba. Okay, everyone, I want you to say hello to Levi. You're welcome, WikiFeet. Okay, so let me figure out how to... Okay, my Japanese is far from perfect, but I think I know what I have to do. Levi? Okay, let's do this again. Apparently, I have to get this app. And apparently, I have to connect the Roomba to the app. Oh man, now I gotta sign up. I hate doing these things. I think we have this one, Robot S6 Pure? I don't understand, bitch. Okay, I think Joey figured it out. What was it?
It's a certain type of Wi-Fi that it needs to use.
Oh.
It's gonna go out the door.
Come back! Don't go! Okay, so it can speak English and it can speak Shingeki no Kyojin. It can speak Shingeki no Kyojin.
It can do a lot of things. It can do like different Japanese dialects as well, like Kyoto Ben, Kansai Ben.
Oh yeah,
Hakata
that's
Ben,
cool.
Tsugaru Ben.
Oh shit.
It can even sound like a butler.
That's great. Well, I want Levi.
Okay, use.
Moment of truth.
You got a little Levi robot now.
Hey, we gotta bring him into the kitchen. Hold on. Don't worry, I got it. Okay. Hey.
Oh.
Feel like those vacuum commercials?
Oh, that's a nightmare.
Don't worry, Levi will clean it up, I hope. Go!
掃除を続ける
Ah!
お前は間違っていない掃除を変える
No, go that way. No, go that way.
3だとおいこれはどういう状況だ
I know. Go.
掃除を続けるお前は間違っていないやりたくなる一応現地ができる
God damn.
It'll make it. It'll go. It'll go.
It's over there. It's over there. It's over there. Levi. It's over because he has no eyes. Levi, it's over.
It's like, see ya. It's like, you clean after your own shit.
He just.
Oh, wait, there he is.
Oh wait. You coming?
Is he gonna go down the hallway?
He's going everywhere. Besides here.
Oh, here he comes.
I don't ask for much in this life. I just want a Levi robot to clean my house. Well, Joey, you always wanted a Roomba, so now you get one, but it sounds like Levi. How do you feel?
I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's doing a good job so
I-
far. Or I guess not really doing a good job.
I know.
It's still it'll get to that eventually. He's clearing out the small titans first before he fights the big titans. Like,
Levi be like, where are the Titans at?
he's like, where are the titans at? They're right here.
No! Yeah, boy.
Wow, that cleans up really cleanly.
Yeah. Robo rock. Now that I've got the stickers on here, it feels a little bit more themed.
掃除を続けるお前は間違っていないやりたくなる
Who asked for this? Like, so, like.
There's a
You
lot
know-
of Levi fans out there.
No,
man.
but what I'm saying, this is $700, and so what I'm saying is like, who was this made for? Like,
Well, I mean, it's just like a standard Roomba, but just with a Levi option, right? I mean, didn't you have the Levi detergent as well?
I did. I'll put a picture of that up here. Oh my god, I forgot about that. They still sell it too.
Yeah. Hey man, Levi fans are willing to pay for that.
It's true. I mean, look at me.
Yeah.
Levi, tell me something romantic.
エラー3だとおいこれはどういう状況だ俺を別の場所に連れて行け
Alright, Levi, woo me with your words.
掃除を続けるお前は間違っていないやりたくなる
Ah! It's so beautiful! What is it with me getting like these weird things for the house? First I got the minion, and then I got the sex doll, and then now I have a Levi Roomba. This is gonna be a weird house. You
Come on, Levi, you got it, bro.
got it. Come on, Levi.
Clean it up.
Clean it.
Oh, you perfectly dodged that
Oh
one.
my. Goodbye, Levi. Is he going back home?
充電ドックが見つからねえ俺を充電ドックに近づけてからもう一度試せ
Come on, man. Come on, man. You're almost there. You there? You got it. You got it, man.
電力を補充する
Well, I'm happy. I know that there's obvious product placement here, but this video isn't sponsored. I really just wanted a Roomba. But then one of you guys was like, what about a Roomba with Levi's voice? And I was like, okay. I know that a lot of people are going to want to know where to get this. My friends over at Itaikuji are selling it if you guys want. They also have some other Attack on Titan stuff there if you can't be bothered to drop $700 on a Roomba. But if you can, please tag me. Let me know what you guys think. Other than that, appreciate you guys for watching. I'm going to put Levi down now. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Levi!